Long live the spirit, the message, and the music of Brother Bob Marley. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. None can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a party. We have to. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had redemption songs, songs of freedom, redemption songs.